The Adventure King's 60 litre fridge freezer can hold a whopping 88 cans. It's the perfect size for a week or the weekend. It only uses the best components, and inside is a legendary Seacop compressor, so it chills down fast. Combined with the thick insulation and seals, it's super efficient and can chill all the way down to negative 25 degrees. This compact fridge can fit and cool a massive 88 cans. That's almost 4 slabs. Or use the included basket to neatly stack your food and drinks. The case is made of tough polyethylene, and so is the lid, which features a quick release latch and is completely reversible for easy access. With an automatic internal light, easy to use control panel and tough adjustable handles, this fridge has it all. This 60 litre fridge freezer is one of the best value fridges on the market. And because we don't pay middlemen's commissions or fancy packaging fees or any contributions to snazzy showrooms or fancy marketing firms, plus we pass our bulk buy savings on to you, we can offer you a high quality fridge for a fraction of the price you'd pay elsewhere.